People that will share their wishes and offer gifts of our debutant. And of course, these people will also be the ones who will guide and support her along the way. At this juncture, let us now have the 18 candles. Candles often reveal a sense of mystery and supernatural guidance. It symbolizes security as it may illuminate circumstances. The 18 candles signified important people in Krisha Camille's life who will guide and light up her way to the right path. These people are the ones who will give her hope and light in the darkness of our. As I call your name, may I request the called person to please go in front and then just deliver a short message. Ayan po. For the first candle, we have Arlene Cabanilla.
Okay. Para kay Casey po, Casey, happy birthday. 18th birthday mo na na. Alam mo ko yung batang ang cute mo nung pinos ni Ate Nelo, nung maliit ka. Ang ganda-ganda mo talaga, ay taba-taba mo pa nun. Pero okay na yung katawan mo, mukha kang Koreana eh. Ang wish ko sa'yo, pagpatuloy mo lang ang pag-serve mo kay Lord. Tapos, yung medyo nung mabuli ka at agsangit ka, hindi ka na bata. Diba? Tapos,
Dumanog ka na.
basta, gusto niya si Euro. Casey, happy birthday ulit.
Thank you very much po. Second candle will be delivered by Princess Faith Esteban.
Apay sa bali mo, apelido mo ka? Doon na lang siya, oh. Oo.
Ayan, so, syempre si Casey is nakasama ko to since 6 months old. So, nakita ko siya kung paano siya lumaki. And, kailan lang
Mother.
na ako yung nag-debut, ikaw yung, yung
Nag-balance.
muse ko na nagbigay. Ba't ako sabihin na?
Kastanet.
Ayan, syempre, seeing you grow, Casey, nakita ko yung yung strength mo. Nakita ko yung, yung kahinaan mo. Pero always remember that Ate Faith is with you. Alam mo yan, ikaw talaga yung maliban kay Kuya JM. Syempre, alam mo yan. Ikaw yung talagang pinaka-bunso. Di ba? Pinagkamalan pa kitang anak mo, di ba? So, ayan. Of course, ngayon at 18 ka na, you can do what you want. Of course, in a nice way. Siyempre, ka na nasa,
May nagla-live na dito.
pa-end ka na ng teenage, mo. And, of course, Casey, wish ko and pray ko sa'yo na magtuloy ka kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Priceless yung masasabi ko na you're very
Extra.
talented, creative girl na nakilala ko. And ayun, keep on, keep on kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo, of course. And continue serving God. I know na marami ka pang ma-explore. And that exploration, Casey, is there are ups and downs, pero of course they will give you lesson. So ayan, happy birthday our dearest bunso. Huwag kang umiyak kasi niyak ako sa'yo. So ayan lang po, and Ayan, I love you. Ate Faith is always here for you.
Apay nagdak.
Third candle, Mrs. Edna Cabanilla.